Life is full of moments when you feel weak. You may feel emotionally drained, physically exhausted, or spiritually empty. You may face challenges that seem impossible, burdens that feel too heavy, and trials that shake your heart. These moments are natural, for every human experiences weakness. But know this: when you feel weak, Allah is stronger. He is the most powerful, the most wise, and the most merciful. Your weakness does not mean defeat. It is a reminder to turn to Him and rely on His strength. Do not despair when your heart feels heavy. Weakness is a part of life, but it is also an opportunity. It is an opportunity to seek help from the one who is all-powerful, the one whose strength knows no limits. Allah is aware of your struggles, your fears, and your burdens. He sees what is hidden and what is visible. When you feel unable, He is there to carry you, support you, and guide you through every difficulty. Every test and challenge in life is a chance to strengthen your faith. Your weakness is not a sign of failure, it is a sign that you need Allah. When you recognize your limitations, you are turning to Him in sincerity. This turning is the essence of tawakkul. It is the acknowledgement that ultimate power lies not in your hands but in the hands of Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth. When life feels overwhelming, remember that your weakness is temporary. Trials, pain, and difficulties are not permanent. Allah's mercy and strength are everlasting. No hardship is beyond His ability to ease. No burden is too heavy for His support. Your weakness is a reminder to trust Him, to seek His help, and to remain patient and steadfast. Prayer is your refuge in moments of weakness. When you feel powerless, speak to Allah sincerely. Pour out your heart, express your fears, ask for strength, and seek guidance. Even the simplest words, when spoken with sincerity, have immense power. Allah hears you, understands your struggles, and responds in ways that are best for you. Your heart will find peace when you rely on His strength rather than your own. Weakness can also be a source of humility. It reminds you that you are not in control of everything, that you need Allah in every aspect of life. It teaches you reliance, patience, and gratitude. When you acknowledge your weakness and seek Allah's help, your heart becomes stronger, your faith deepens, and your connection with Him grows. Do not compare your strength to others. Everyone faces unique challenges, and everyone experiences weakness in their own way. Your trials are tailored for your growth, your patience, and your spiritual development. Focus on your journey, trust Allah's plan, and seek His support. Comparison only leads to despair, but reliance on Allah leads to peace and resilience. Fear often accompanies weakness. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of uncertainty. These feelings are natural. But in these moments, remember that Allah is stronger. His power surpasses all difficulties, His wisdom is beyond comprehension, and His mercy encompasses everything. Let fear drive you closer to Him, not away. Take action within your ability and leave the results to Allah. Even the smallest acts of faith matter when you feel weak. A kind word, a small act of charity, a short prayer, or a moment of reflection can strengthen your heart. These actions are recorded, rewarded, and valued by Allah. Your weakness does not diminish your efforts. It magnifies the importance of turning to Him in reliance. Do not despair when life seems unfair. Your weakness is not a sign of defeat, it is a stage of preparation. Every trial, every hardship, and every struggle is molding you into a person who relies on Allah, trusts His wisdom, and seeks His guidance. Relief will come, ease will follow hardship, and strength will return through reliance on Him. Remember the examples of the prophets. They faced immense challenges, moments of weakness, and trials that seemed insurmountable. Prophet Musa faced a mighty Pharaoh, Prophet Ibrahim was thrown into fire, and Prophet Muhammad endured ridicule, loss, and hardship. Yet they never doubted Allah's power. Their reliance on Him turned weakness into victory and trials into triumph. Your reliance can do the same for you. Life is a test, and weakness is a natural part of that test. Your moments of weakness are opportunities to seek Allah's strength, to purify your heart, and to grow spiritually. Your reliance, patience, and trust during these moments are building blocks for a heart that is resilient, faithful, and strong. Even when you feel hopeless, remember that Allah's power is absolute. No difficulty is too great, no challenge is too complex, and no trial is beyond His control. Your weakness is temporary, His strength is eternal. Turn to Him, trust Him, and continue striving. Every moment of patience and faith strengthens your connection and prepares you for victory. Even when you feel weak, remember that Allah's strength is limitless. Life will challenge you in ways that test your patience, your faith, and your perseverance. You may feel that your energy is gone, that your heart is heavy, or that your mind cannot find peace. These moments are natural, but they are also opportunities to turn to Allah and seek His support. Your weakness is a reminder that true power lies not in your hands, but in the hands of the Almighty. Do not let despair control your heart. Weakness is not a sign of defeat, it is an invitation to seek help from Allah. When you feel unable, He is there to carry your burdens, guide your steps, and provide strength beyond your imagination. Every challenge you face is a chance to recognize His greatness and rely on His power. Your weakness can be a source of humility and reflection. It reminds you that you cannot do everything on your own, and that dependence on Allah is essential for success and peace. When you recognize your limitations and seek His help sincerely, your heart becomes stronger, your faith deepens, and your patience is fortified. Every act of trust in Him strengthens your soul. Even in moments of despair, hope, Allah's mercy is vast and His wisdom is beyond comprehension. No challenge is too great for Him, no burden too heavy, and no hardship beyond His ability to ease. Your weakness is temporary, but His power is eternal. Trust in His plan, remain patient, and continue to act with sincerity. Relief will come, ease will follow hardship, and strength will return through reliance on Him. Prayer is your refuge in times of weakness. Speak to Allah with sincerity. Pour your heart out, express your fears, seek guidance and ask for strength. Even the simplest words, spoken sincerely, carry immense power. Allah hears you, understands your struggles, and responds in ways that are best for you. Your connection with Him will strengthen your heart and provide resilience beyond your own ability. Fear often accompanies weakness. Fear of failure, fear of loss, or fear of the unknown can paralyze the heart. But these fears are opportunities to turn to Allah and strengthen your reliance on Him. Let fear guide you closer to prayer, reflection, and sincere action. Take steps within your control, but leave the results to Allah, for His wisdom is perfect and His strength is absolute. Small acts of faith can have a profound impact when you feel weak. A smile, a kind word, a small act of charity, or a quiet prayer, all are valuable in the sight of Allah. Even in moments of weakness, these acts demonstrate reliance on Him and strengthen your heart. Every sincere effort contributes to your growth, resilience, and ultimate triumph. Do not compare yourself to others. Every person faces unique challenges and experiences weakness in different ways. Your journey is personal, and your tests are tailored for your growth, patience, and spiritual development. Comparison leads to despair, but reliance on Allah leads to peace, strength, and clarity. Focus on your own connection with Him. Remember the prophets and their reliance on Allah during moments of weakness. Prophet Yusuf endured betrayal and imprisonment, yet he never doubted Allah's strength. Prophet Musa faced a tyrant Pharaoh, yet his trust in Allah gave him courage. Prophet Muhammad faced immense hardship, ridicule, and loss, yet he relied entirely on Allah's wisdom and power. Their examples teach us that reliance on Allah transforms weakness into victory. Life is full of tests, and weakness is a natural part of those tests. Your challenges are opportunities to seek Allah's support, purify your intentions, and strengthen your faith. Your reliance, patience, and trust during these moments are building blocks for a heart that is resilient, steadfast, and deeply connected to Allah. Even when it feels impossible, remember that Allah's power is limitless. No trial is too great, no hardship too heavy, and no struggle beyond His control. Your weakness is temporary, but His strength is eternal. Turn to Him, trust in Him, and continue striving with sincerity. Every moment of patience, every act of trust, and every prayer strengthens your connection and prepares you for victory. Do not let weakness make you despair. Instead, let it bring you closer to Allah. Recognize your limitations, acknowledge your need for His support, and trust that He is shaping your life for the best. Every difficulty carries wisdom, every trial carries a lesson, and every act of reliance strengthens your heart. Your journey will have moments of fatigue, moments of fear, and moments when the weight seems unbearable. But these moments are temporary. Allah is stronger than every challenge, greater than every difficulty, and more powerful than every fear. Place your trust fully in Him, remain patient, and continue to act sincerely. Your weakness today is an opportunity for your heart and faith to grow stronger than ever. Even the smallest acts of obedience, gratitude, and patience matter. They remind you that Allah is near, that He hears, and that He responds. Your weakness magnifies the importance of turning to Him sincerely. Every moment of trust and reliance contributes to your growth, resilience, and preparation for relief and success. Do not despair when life seems overwhelming. Tests are temporary, but the strength you gain through reliance on Allah is lasting. Every hardship, every struggle, and every moment of weakness is part of building a heart that is steadfast, faithful, and connected to Allah. His strength will carry you, guide you, and support you through every challenge. Remember, your weakness is not a limitation, it is an opportunity. It is a call to turn to Allah, seek His guidance, and rely on His strength. Every challenge is an invitation to strengthen your faith, deepen your trust, and grow spiritually. Relief will come, ease will follow hardship, and your heart will be strengthened through reliance on Allah. Life will bring repeated challenges, but Allah's power remains constant. No test is beyond His ability, no difficulty beyond His control, and no hardship too great. Your weakness is temporary, but His strength is eternal. Trust Him completely, act sincerely, and remain patient. Every moment of reliance strengthens your heart, builds your character, and prepares your soul for victory. Even when life seems impossible, when challenges feel insurmountable, and when fear grips your heart, remember that Allah is stronger. He sees your struggles, He knows your pain, and He is guiding you through every trial. Your weakness is a reminder to turn to Him, trust Him, and seek His support. Through reliance on His strength, every test becomes an opportunity, every hardship becomes a lesson, and every moment of weakness becomes a pathway to resilience, faith, and ultimate triumph.